Before we get into the nitty gritty of NFTs, it's important to understand the distinction between fungible and non fungible. The term fungible refers to an item or token that may be interchanged with another unit of the same thing for all practical purposes. Consider the following example: one Bitcoin is comparable to another Bitcoin, just as one British pound is equivalent to another British pound. If you give your buddy a £10 note, you don't have to insist on their repaying the loan with the same £10 note. Any £10 note will suffice as repayment. Things that are non fungible, on the other hand, are not interchangeable with one another and have distinctive characteristics that may distinguish them from one another despite the fact that they may seem to be identical. In the actual world, there are many instances of non fungible things, such as paintings, concert tickets, and other such items. Despite the fact that two paintings may seem to be identical, their levels of rarity may be vastly different. In a similar vein, front row concert tickets are much more valuable than seats in the rear row.